For the country and right here in Arizona. In just the last couple of hours, we learned that 2 people were seen with symptoms similar to COVID-19 at a hospital within the San Carlos Apache Reservation that is just east of Globe. And the 2 have not been in contact with any other COVID-19 patients. They have been tested for the virus, still waiting for those test results to come back. But the patients' families were told to self-quarantine for 14 days just in case.
So here are the numbers on COVID-19 in Arizona. 9 people in our state have tested positive for the virus. 8 of those cases have been community spread or through person-to-person contact. 100 people have been tested. That's up by about 16 cases from yesterday. There's still more than 30 cases pending results. Governor Ducey declaring a public health emergency for our state today.
We want to go out live to our Nicole Grigg. She is outside of the state's health lab with more. And Nicole, a big declaration today.
Yeah, it's a big step for the state. It means that they can tap into emergency funding, and the governor's executive order is going to help people here in Arizona with testing. Very little information coming in on the 90-year-old man in the hospital in stable condition. We're told that health officials are working with the facility on approved cleaning recommendations.
Maricopa County is currently investigating to identify how that individual may have gotten exposed to COVID-19 and where that source may be. And then they will be working directly with that healthcare provider to ensure that there is appropriate cleaning put in place, that there is appropriate protocols, and that there is ongoing monitoring of additional contacts of that patient.
Health officials still the gatekeeper of information, not saying what city or if it's an in-care or out-care facility. The governor's executive order is putting limits on visitor policies at senior care facilities and requires symptom checks of healthcare workers and visitors.
To date, we have not had community spread at a nursing home or elder care facility, but we could. And if that happens, we want DHS to be equipped to act immediately and with urgency.
The executive order requiring insurance companies to cover out-of-network providers for testing and to waive all copays and deductibles for the cost of testing.
We know there's more that can be done right now to protect vulnerable populations, and that's what this executive order does.
And we're hearing all these cancellations across the country. We asked health officials today if we're going to see that here in Arizona. They say at this time they have no plans to cancel mass gatherings or events. Live in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.